Hey guys, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to access Marketplace on Facebook easily. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. On your smartphone, open the Facebook app. Now first, click this three lines icon. After that, click Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down until you see this tab bar. Now tap on it. After that, select Customize the bar. Then you will see the Marketplace shortcut in here. All you have to do is pin the Marketplace shortcut on your navigation bar. Now to do it, just click this drop down menu, then click Pin. So that's how you add the Marketplace shortcut on your navigation bar. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.